4-bit drip irrigation system I got from Home Depot, and just show you a quick layout of what I've been working on again. Lots of trenching. I'm going to showing you zone 2. So step 1 of putting in this drip irrigation system, trench. So the main line of 1/2-inch black poly tube all goes together pretty super simple. It's all T's, elbows, and these little end loop connectors. Take a peek at the 3 pieces here. It's all based on running garden hoses or hose bib in and hoses out to do your irrigation, but I've just adapted it to a 1/2-inch poly tube. Except for this 1/2-inch to garden hose adapter here, and then it's all 1/2-inch poly tube after that. And so following that down, we've got an elbow. Let's walk around and just show you the connection. So we're going to check for leaks now. We don't have any emitters plugged in. We've just got our main line set so far. Manual. Zone 2 for 1 minute. Hit it. A little raindrop shows me that. And then there goes the emitter. And so I've already walked through and checked everything, and there are no leaks. But let's take a quick peek at it. At the connections here. Another T here, and just an end run. It's closed off at the end with one of those loop enders, and then just a corner here. So what we've got is 3 rows that make up our after section on the orchard expansion. So we went inside the house and made up all these little drip line assemblies, and they consist of 3 emitters. We're going to stake them in with these little stakes. We got 1 gallon per hour little flag emitters here. And I'm arranging them on the new trees here in a kind of a triangle, just pretty close around the root ball, and try to equally space them around the base. So what we're doing here on these more well-established trees like this one that are a couple years old is what I'm going to call teasing the roots. I'm going to put all 3 emitters kind of equally spaced off to one side of the trunk, and then about once a month I'm going to kind of rotate them around, and thereby what I'm hoping to do is kind of tease the roots out and maybe make the roots a bit stronger. So I'm pretty sure I'm not the first person to have a drip irrigation system installed on a timer, but it would be difficult to overstate the value of this to me, especially considering my budget. It was under $100 on the entire project. So all the poly tube, all the connectors, the timer, everything else all included was well under $100. So I haven't been in this orchard for about 2 weeks, and it's doing better than it ever has. I thought I was doing a pretty good job at watering these fruit trees before I had the drip irrigation system, but the results of the last 2 weeks since I've had this installed show me that I probably wasn't doing a very good job watering, because everything is just thriving. These trees really like the regular 6 a.m. 3 gallons of water per tree. And so let me show you the rows real quick. And so what we have here is a row after the 1/2-inch drip line was buried. And you can see that I have 1 drip line for each of the 3 trees and 2 extra in the middle in between the trees for a future garden. And we're going to start that project here today, doing a late July planting of a garden. We'll see if we can get anything to grow out here in between the trees. We'll talk more about that in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Feel free to post any comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section below. And Lord willing, I will see you here again real soon. God bless.
Save me from this prison. Lord, help me.